seawater comes in from that valve right there.
Yep.
And then goes through that little pipe, the hose,
Yep.
through that bronze check valve,
Okay.
into the saltwater head pump head on our waste pump, and then comes out the side, and then comes up here. This is our anti-siphon valve,
Okay.
so that it doesn't create a siphon and flood the boat. And then the new hose, we connected to the outside of that,
Okay.
and then that's coming down here, and then going that way, and out through the bulkhead into our bathroom, which is right behind this wall. So let's go there. The hose then comes through the bulkhead right down there with the blue stripe, and then runs in the bilge, comes over this way, and then keeps running through the bilge, and then comes here, and then where that white pipe is, there's a hole down there, and that hole comes out there, and then from there connects to our toilet here. So let's finish it up.
Okay, Rick's back in the hole. I don't know if you can see his hands and what he's doing down there. Zip tying the hose in place, or?
I'm trying to reuse one of the zip ties. It is already here and screwed and fastened to a stringer. I got it. Pokey down here.
Yep. The art of getting in and out of small spots. Oh!
About that.
Don't know what you just dropped.
That was squeegee. This is how I get hurt.
This is how you get hurt. Pretty impressive.